Your hybrid battery is dying right now, and you're doing it to yourself. I'm talking about 9 common mistakes that are destroying your expensive hybrid battery years before it should fail. And when that battery dies, you're looking at $3,000 to $6,000 for replacement. Some of these mistakes, you're probably making them every single day. I've been working on hybrid vehicles for over a decade, and I see the same patterns constantly. People unknowingly killing their hybrid batteries through bad habits. Today, I'm exposing the 9 biggest hybrid battery killers and giving you the fixes that'll extend your battery life by years. And mistake number 5, almost nobody realizes they're doing it. Mistake number 1, letting your hybrid sit for weeks. Here's the biggest battery killer people don't think about. You leave your hybrid parked for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month while you travel or work from home. You think you're saving wear and tear. You're actually destroying your battery. Hybrid batteries need regular use to stay healthy. When a hybrid sits unused, the 12-volt battery slowly drains. Once that dies, your hybrid system can't initialize properly, and the high-voltage battery sits at partial charge. Hybrid batteries hate sitting at partial charge for extended periods. The individual cells start to drift out of balance. Some cells self-discharge faster than others. This imbalance causes weak cells, and weak cells kill the entire pack because the pack is only as strong as its weakest cell. We've seen perfectly good hybrid batteries develop cell imbalance after just 2 months of sitting. Once cells are significantly out of balance, no amount of driving will fix it. You need professional rebalancing or module replacement, hundreds to thousands of dollars. The fix is simple. If your hybrid will sit for more than a week, put the 12-volt battery on a maintainer. Better yet, drive your hybrid at least once every 7 to 10 days for 20 to 30 minutes. Mistake number 2, always running on empty. You run your gas tank down to the warning light every time before filling up. With a hybrid, you're damaging your battery. When your gas tank gets low, your hybrid relies more heavily on the battery because the engine can't run as efficiently. The battery goes through deeper discharge cycles than it's designed for during normal operation. Hybrid batteries are designed for shallow charge and discharge cycles, typically operating between 20 and 80% charge. When you force deep discharge cycles by running low on gas, you're stressing the battery chemistry and accelerating degradation. Deep cycling a hybrid battery reduces its lifespan significantly. Lithium-ion batteries lose capacity faster when subjected to deep discharge. You could be cutting years off your battery life. The fix? Keep your gas tank above a quarter tank. This ensures the engine operates normally and the battery only does the shallow cycling it's designed for. Mistake number 3, extreme temperature exposure. You park your hybrid in direct sun all day in summer or leave it outside in winter at -20 degrees. Extreme temperatures are brutal on hybrid batteries. Heat is the biggest enemy. When a hybrid battery gets hot, chemical reactions accelerate, causing faster degradation. The electrolyte breaks down, internal resistance increases, and capacity drops. We've analyzed battery degradation data from thousands of hybrids. Vehicles in hot climates like Arizona and Texas show significantly faster battery degradation than identical models in moderate climates. We're talking 2 to 3 years difference in useful battery life. Cold temporarily reduces capacity. A hybrid battery at 0 degrees might have a 30 to 40% less available capacity than at 70 degrees. This forces the engine to run more, reducing fuel economy. The fix? Keep your gas tank above a quarter tank. This ensures the engine operates normally and the battery only does the shallow cycling it's designed for.
Mistake number 4, aggressive driving habits. You drive your hybrid aggressively. Hard acceleration, hard braking, constantly flooring it. You're destroying your battery with every aggressive input. When you floor the accelerator, you're demanding maximum power from the battery. This creates high current draw, which generates heat and stress on battery cells. Hard braking creates aggressive regenerative charging with high charging currents. Rapid charging generates heat and stress, just like rapid discharge. Constant high current events cause faster capacity loss and cell imbalance. We've seen hybrids driven aggressively need battery replacement at 100,000 miles, while identical models driven gently are going strong at 200,000. The fix? Drive smoothly. Gradual acceleration, anticipating stops for gentle braking, and moderate speeds dramatically extend battery life. You'll also get way better fuel economy. Mistake number 5, ignoring the cooling system. Hybrid batteries have cooling systems, and most people have no idea they exist or need maintenance. Most hybrid batteries are either air-cooled or liquid-cooled. Air-cooled systems have vents and fans. Liquid-cooled systems have coolant, pumps, and heat exchangers. Air-cooled vents usually have intake vents in the rear cabin or under rear seats. These vents get clogged with dust, pet hair, and debris. When airflow is restricted, the battery overheats. Overheating accelerates degradation dramatically. Liquid-cooled systems can develop leaks, low coolant, or failed pumps. Without proper cooling, battery temperature spikes during use, causing accelerated wear. We've pulled hybrid batteries running 20 to 30 degrees hotter than normal because cooling was compromised. That excessive heat cut their lifespan in half. The fix? Check your cooling system regularly. For air-cooled, inspect and clean intake vents every few months. Don't block them with cargo. For liquid-cooled, have coolant checked during maintenance. If you see a battery cooling warning, address it immediately. Mistake number 6, skipping software updates. Your hybrid has sophisticated battery management software. Manufacturers regularly release updates that improve battery management algorithms and fix issues causing premature degradation. Most people never get these updates because they skip dealer service or the dealer doesn't mention them. You could have a software update that would better protect your battery and never know. We've seen cases where updates fixed cell balancing issues that would have eventually killed the battery. The update was free, but customers didn't get it for 2 years because they never asked. The fix? Ask your dealer if software updates are available during every service visit. This is free preventive maintenance that could save you thousands.
Mistake number 7, using aftermarket jump starting wrong. Your 12-volt battery dies and someone tries to jump-start your hybrid like a regular car. This can destroy your high-voltage battery and inverter. Hybrids have complex electrical systems. Incorrect jump-starting sends voltage spikes through the system that damage electronics and battery management. We've seen hybrid batteries and inverters fail shortly after improper jump-starting. Most people don't know hybrids need special jump-start procedures. Each manufacturer has specific instructions different from regular cars. The fix? Know your hybrid's jump-start procedure before you need it. It's in your owner's manual. Most hybrids have specific jump-start terminals under the hood. Better yet, carry a portable jump starter designed for hybrids. Mistake number 8, ignoring dashboard warnings. You see a hybrid system warning light, but the car still drives, so you ignore it. This is how minor issues become catastrophic battery failures. Hybrid system warnings indicate problems with cell balance, cooling, charging, or other issues. These warnings are your early alert system. We've had customers with dead hybrid batteries who admitted they'd seen warning lights months earlier but kept driving. What could have been a simple fix became complete battery replacement. The fix? Any hybrid system warning requires immediate diagnosis. Get it scanned and diagnosed. Early intervention often prevents expensive failures. Mistake number 9, cheap replacement batteries. Your battery dies and you find a cheap refurbished battery online for half the price of OEM. You think you're saving money. You're setting yourself up for another failure. Cheap hybrid batteries are made from used cells pulled from salvage yards. These cells have unknown history, unknown degradation, and no quality control. They might work initially but fail quickly. We've seen aftermarket batteries fail within a year, leaving customers paying for another replacement. Quality batteries come with warranties and last for years. The fix? Use OEM, quality remanufactured from reputable companies, or new aftermarket from established brands. Yes, it costs more, but it'll last. A cheap battery means paying twice. Let's recap the 9 hybrid battery killers. Letting it sit, drive regularly, running on empty, keep gas above a quarter tank, extreme temperatures, park in shade, aggressive driving, smooth inputs, ignoring cooling, maintain vents and coolant, skipping updates, ask your dealer, wrong jump starting, know your procedure, ignoring warnings, diagnose immediately, and cheap batteries, invest in quality. Stop these 9 mistakes and your hybrid battery will last the life of your vehicle instead of dying at 100,000 miles. Now be honest in the comments. Which are you guilty of? And if this just saved you $3,000, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.